When calamity strikes seafarers, injured parties need seasoned maritime lawyers to guide them through turbulent times. At Life Fixture, our attorney's compassion and comprehension of admiralty law has aided countless maritime accident victims over 20 years. Let our expertise shine a beacon on your path toward justice and closure after facing misfortune at sea. The open seas can quickly turn deadly. The open ocean and her ships have long captured humanity's sense of adventure and wonder. Yet the maritime domain, for all its beauty and intrigue, harbors very real dangers for those who make their living upon the waves. When disaster does strike at sea, whether from storms, collisions, onboard accidents, or any number of other hazards, the consequences for crew, passengers, and vessels can be devastating. Standing watch for over 20 years. For over 2 decades, the maritime injury attorneys at Life Fixture law offices have been shining as that very lighthouse for victims all over the world. With founding partners Captain William Holder and Jenny Smith at the helm, both of whom worked in the maritime industry prior to attending law school, Life Fixture stands vigil over their injured clients. Bill Holder brings his over 30 years of experience sailing everything from private yachts to oil tankers, while Jenny Smith leverages her background as a ship's purser with a major cruise line. Extensive understanding of admiralty law. What exactly does admiralty law entail that makes it so complex? As the specialized body of regulations governing disputes and injuries occurring on navigable waters, it interacts with both state and federal statutes in ways that can quickly confuse land-based attorneys. The team at Life Fixture not only understands these nuances, but continuously studies evolving best practices and jurisprudence in the field. Compassionate support for mariners and their families. In the days and weeks following any serious marine casualty, injured crew or family members of the deceased face overwhelming grief, confusion, and anxiety. During this intensely painful time, they deserve caring advocates walking beside them, not just attorneys focused solely on legal matters. The team at Life Fixture works hard to embody this compassionate approach. They maintain open communication to address client questions and concerns, as well as connect families with counseling services if requested. Aggressive pursuit of rightful compensation. However, demonstrating compassion does not mean Life Fixture compromises on aggressively pursuing rightful compensation for maritime accident victims. With intricate knowledge of evidentiary procedures in injury claims, they tenaciously collect vital statements, logbooks, vessel tracking data, and other documentation before it gets lost or destroyed. This passion for their clients shows itself in the maxim quick to comfort, slow to anger, and firm to fight. The successful track record built over 20 years speaks for itself. In the last fiscal year alone, Life Fixture secured over $25 million in claim settlements and verdicts for clients. Past victories include a $5.2 million settlement for a dockworker severely injured by defective equipment, $18 million granted to the family of an oil tanker crewman killed in an onboard explosion due to safety violations, and full compensation for 24 passengers severely hurt when a whale-watching boat capsized due to the captain's negligence. Worldwide network supporting global industry. As one of the largest firms focused specifically on admiralty litigation, Life Fixture's clientele includes commercial fishermen, merchant sailors, ferry operators, longshoremen, shipyard workers, and marine industry personnel across the world. On retainer for most major maritime labor unions in North America, they stand ready to advise and represent union members whenever necessary. For cases abroad, the firm maintains connections with trusted maritime attorneys globally to best serve crews operating worldwide. This comprehensive supporting network enables Life Fixture to shine its light across both American and international waters. Lighthouse of Hope standing fast. No one expects to suffer a catastrophic injury at sea or lose a loved one to a tragic maritime accident. Yet, when such disasters occur, victims need to quickly secure knowledgeable advocates that understand both the intricacies of maritime law as well as the unique needs of mariners. For over 20 years, the experienced attorneys stand fast, shining light on the best path back towards healing and justice. They actively welcome new clients seeking experienced representation. No case is too large or too small for life fixture law offices. For more informative and interested videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Stay tuned.